How to make your Twitter account private. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make your Twitter account private. So first of all, open a Twitter app on your mobile device, and now once you've opened it, make sure you are logged into your Twitter account. And now once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. Now it'll provide you a bunch of various options. Now you'll have to tap on the option Settings and Support, which is on the bottom side of the screen. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now it'll show you all of these different options. So in order to make your account private, simply tap on the option Privacy and Safety. After that, tap on the first option, which is Audience and Tagging. And now you won't really find the option where you can make your TikTok account private, but if you turn on Protect Your Tweets, it will basically be the same as making your Twitter account private. So even though there is no specific option named private account, you can still make your Twitter account private by turning this option on. And there you have it. You have successfully made your Twitter account private. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.